Worldwide, NAVCAST brings down the accuracy for the user positioning from meters to centimeters.
Welcome back to our GfR Discovery Hub. In the next 2 episodes, we would like to introduce the GfR Service NAVCAST. First, we have a look at the technical details, and in the second episode, we explore how the service is launched on the market. Let's dive in.
My name is Bertram Zöllner. I'm Systems Engineer at DLR GfR.
My name is Dr. Ralph Tüllmann. I'm an astrophysicist and the head of the Navigation Services Group at DLR GfR. Our prime focus is to develop GNSS and navigation-related products in, for example, the UAV domain, in the maritime domain, and the current focus is NAVCAST.
NAVCAST is a correction generation service for global navigation satellite systems that enables users to improve their positioning performance by making use of these corrections to correct the errors that they face in GNSS positioning.
NAVCAST is a project that started out in 2018 when Space Opal, Telespazio and GfR jointly developed NAVCAST basically from scratch.
In general, GNSS works by measuring the signal traveling time between the satellites of the GNSS constellation and the user, and therefore, of course, these measurements are also affected by errors. These errors are mainly the errors in the orbit of the satellite, the clock error on board of the satellite, and additionally the differential code biases and phase biases within the signal. In addition, as soon as the signal travels from the satellite to the user, it's also affected by our atmosphere, especially by ionospheric and tropospheric errors. NAVCAST now provides corrections for all of these errors so that the user can calculate his position more accurate and more reliable. By doing so, NAVCAST brings down the accuracy for the user positioning from meters to centimeters. NAVCAST receives data from more than 100 worldwide distributed stations and uses them to calculate within its core software modules the corrections for clock and orbits. It also adds the code and phase bias estimations, and after adding the ionospheric and tropospheric corrections, the data is being checked, validated and monitored in real time. Finally, the NAVCAST data stream is securely disseminated via a reliable RTCM caster to the user. In order to deliver the best possible support to our users, we can also tailor the service directly to their needs. Therefore, we have currently focused the UAV and maritime domains, in which we have elicited requirements from pilot customers in order to directly, specifically tailor the service. We are currently therefore working also on integrity features, on alarming features, and on customer-specific safe and secure distribution.
As GfR, we are responsible to create the NAVCAST core corrections, that is the orbit corrections, the clock corrections, and also phase and code biases, whereas our partners like Telespazio develop ionospheric corrections, and with their daughter company EGOS also the tropospheric corrections.
Thank you for all the technical details. In the next episode, we will look at the commercial side of this service. We would like to show you the path from development to the finished product and see how the service NAVCAST can be used in the future. So stay tuned, and until then, keep reaching for the stars.